A revolution in washing. Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. Breakthrough EcoBubble technology froths detergent with air and water before the cycle begins. Generating cleansing bubbles that penetrate fabrics faster and more evenly throughout the wash load. Empowers cool wash to be as effective as warm wash. Wash cool, save energy. EcoBubble technology. An innovative brushless design uses magnets to drive the drum's rotation. Less noise and vibration. Durability is guaranteed with a 10-year warranty. Digital inverter motor. Crystal gloss design. Deep transparency and pure color of the crystal gloss design adds elegance and natural design detail to the door. Graceful curved design. Samsung EcoBubble washing machine.